That's all on. You didn't get a chance to get the fence.
Got it right when it was going now. I get this one.
You gonna get that one then? Better hurry up. You should have got them other things.
What is it?
That's them things right there that came down. You just got them first one with shot.
Yeah.
And great fish, you didn't get them. I don't know what these things, all these is.
These pockets.
I don't know what these things here is. These sky shooters.
What they do?
I don't know what these. I think they probably should have been air like the other one does.
Oh. That little thing.
That's all.
It's only one.
Shit. I think you can see what they gonna do. You can see on Helen recorded. You have something to shoot. That probably got wind when you did, man.
Nah, it went in the sky.
You ran that too far. You gotta stop. You probably had to stop right here somewhere and take a picture when they go up. Then you can get them. But you got them first one, the big one though. You got them two big ones. They would have been good. You missed them. Get right there and stop. Get ready. You might be able to get.
No, I'm recording.
Oh, you recording. That one didn't do nothing wrong.
Just went up and disappeared.
That's all it did.
No, let's do this one.
These some, I don't know what these little things. I guess you just shoot them on the ground.
Yeah, you throw them.
Just throw them. These some
The one you like.
Roman counter.
Yeah,
you just shoot them like that. That's ain't nothing else in the bag over there.
Over there.
Ain't nothing else over there. It's something else and one more there.
One more than thing. I thought I bought 3 of them.
You had one of them big ones, but 2 of them. And one was kind of nearly about the same size as that one. That wasn't quite that size though. Alright.
Which hand I hold out? This hand?
Yeah.
Or this hand?
You hold it like this. Shoot it out that way.
And do like this?
Yeah, shoot. You gonna be able to record there? Oh. You'll see it go out that way.
Wait, what happened?
You got 5 shots in? I'm gonna do it. Say that's all though. You have 5 balls. Then you got the 5 balls in it. You got 5 of them. Hold it up a little bit. You got 5 there.
Making sure I don't blow up my hand.
They don't shoot. Them that don't shoot. They don't pop. They have a lot of stuff.